Hi guys, so it's been a minute that I did a vlog, but today I'm going to the market because I want to make one of my favorite soups, which is Oha. But first of all, I'll go and pick up an order from Tinubu. I think it's for free. A while back I got an email to join their influencer program through my cartoon account, something like that. So I just tried it and voila, it was real. So I'll go and pick it up. It's something worth, let me just say, 6,000 naira. So I think it's in the exchange that you're going to make a video, but I'm not going to make any video because it's not me that they're going to turn to slave to be making ad video for them at that cheap. What I mean is that 6k is too small to give an influencer. Besides, maybe they're going to increase it once you make the video, but I'm not interested in that. I have money subsequently, I'll be ordering from them. As simple as ABCD. So that's that. I've not really been making content because I've been busy with work, which I tend to quit because my boss that I work for, she likes to owe a lot. She owes too much. She's in US and the rate at which she's owing, if you try to tell her how you need your money, she'll kind of maybe fire you. But if you're very important, and she will just snub you. So recently I've just stopped working and I just removed myself, and instead of her to pay, she didn't ask me anything, nothing, and I just kept quiet. I'm going to just quit and then apply to jobs elsewhere. Then lastly, how many of you guys saw that YouTube monetization stuff? I don't even know how to feel about them doubling their watch hour and the rest. I don't know how to feel. It's crazy because I still have a long way to go. Now, I'm even suffering from insufficient space. Like, my phone is filled up. There are a lot of things inside. I've deleted, like, and I don't even know what's taking this space. That's another thing. As even I know the exact thing that's taking up space, because I literally have just few videos and few pictures. So I don't know what to delete. Like, they're making it so hard for creators. So hard. But we'll see where it goes, right? So join me, guys. Let's go pick up, first of all, an order from Tinubu. Then we'll go to the market to go get the ingredients to make my favorite soup. So guys, I did mention that I'll be branching also at the laundry. My birthday is this month, by the way, so I'm going to drop off my outfit for my photo shoot with the dry cleaner so that she can dry clean it and just get it ready for my shoot. So that's where I'm going to first of all. Yeah, sorry I didn't mention that. My birthday is this month, 24th of August is my birthday, and I am so happy, guys. I didn't come out with my mic. It's the last year in my 20s and I'm so happy. I don't even look it. I said maybe you talk to me or you come close. We'll have some good conversation, mature conversation here. I don't know if I really look it for. A lot of people don't used to guess my age right. I am someone that will pay for convenience anytime, any day. If I can afford it, I will. That's why we are hustling to make sure these simple things are being made easy, right? There is no reward for who suffer pass or who I don't know. There's no reward for who is most suffering, right? So I will always outsource my job any day, anytime, if I can afford it. If, cause sometimes you want to outsource these things, but there is no money. So that's it, guys. Hey, boy, you guys. So when will you be ready? Tomorrow evening. Yeah. Okay. So guys, we've gotten that sorted out. Next stop is Demo Pickup. So when I got to this space, I only saw this signboard, and when I asked around, they said that the land is God is good that owns it, but they're still building it. So I had to cross-check on the message, and I saw a particular number from God is good. So when I called it, the man was like, "It's not around, I have to come back." I was thinking it's just something I will just come pick up and then just be on my way. But everything in this country comes with a little bit of drama. We had to reschedule the pickup, obviously, for another day, and I was on my way to the market. You guys, I'm back. I'm back. I wanted to vlog the market, but today is one of those days that I was very, very shy. I was so shy. That's unlike me, but sometimes it's just like that. I just become very shy of vlogging. Some days I'm like, I beg, I don't really give a damn. But today was one of those days that I gave a damn. Yeah, I gave a damn today. Because everywhere I was at the market wanting to bring out my phone, and somebody's eyes just touched mine, and I just became so shy. I just dropped it back. I beg that when I get home I'll continue. So guys, let's go get the food ready. Woo! See my shopping bag. So but guys, let me ask, why is it that they don't used to use knife to cut Oha? Although this is something that, would I say, inherited belief. Why don't they used to use knife to cut Oha? Sorry, I'm jumping all the process. This is not a cooking channel. What I do mostly on my page, there are tutorial videos and the rest. But who used to do tutorial used to eat now. But everybody used to eat. So if you really want to know how to make this soup, you can check out some other cooking channel. I'm mainly into AI tutorial, anything tech. But today I decided to cook. Of course, I'm a lady and I love to eat. So I just decided, let me just take you guys along on this vlog. In here I've added the beef, cow head, assorted stockfish so that it can boil. Half of this CD got spoiled. Hi. This is where. Yummy. At this point, my soup was ready, and these are the list of ingredients that I used. I didn't use much because I stay alone. Yeah, and this is the oha that was remaining. So I just sit back and eat everything I brought from the market, from corn, egg roll, garden egg, and the rest. And my vlog came to an end. See you on another video. Ciao.